What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't been uploading in a while, had some things going on, so I'm gonna keep putting out content with the t-shirt stuff and other things that I'm tinkering with. I'm gonna, upload to the channel. But today I'm actually gonna be doing a video on a lot of the comments I'm getting on different videos. I can't answer all the comments, but I'm gonna answer a few key ones that I saw. So I'm gonna go through the comments real quick, do a quick video on it to, just answer some of these comments that people are asking. So I'm gonna get right into that. Okay, so let me get right into these. Some of these people, their spelling is pretty off, so I'm gonna try to get these best I could. So the first one is, what heat setting do you use for sublimation to not burn? We are using 350 degrees and still scorching. Okay, well, for sublimation, it's all different. I'm not the greatest on sublimation yet. I still mess with it. Still haven't do my trial and errors with it, but for this full 100% poly, I did 390 for 50 seconds on this one. And I've already wash tested this, and even when I did it, I still have, my little mark around it, but nothing crazy. And if you're getting scorch marks like that, I'd say just loosen up your heat press. To, instead of putting on like really heavy pressure, loosen it back a little bit, because with sublimation, you just need to tape it down and then just to get it to the gases to go in. So I would just say, just try loosening up your tension on your knob and see if that works for you. Let's see. Okay, another one was the sleeves. Everybody keeps asking me about the sleeve print, the flag sleeve print. I don't even know if I have it. I think I do right here. Yes, I do. Okay, so everybody keeps asking me, this one is, what do you put inside the sleeve and what is it made out of? This is Teflon pillow, and these I bought on Amazon. They come in a pack of like 6 for all different sizes, for the chest, for sleeves, for pants, for whatever. They're probably 16 bucks on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description if they're still up there for these. It's a Teflon pillow, it's high temp, and I just shove it into the sleeve, just like that. Center everything up, do the flags. The flags is a big one that everybody's asking about. Also with the flag, this flag I believe is 2 inches by 4 inches. That's another big question I get asked. I'm not sure if I have a tape measure around here right now. Little one here. It's 2.5 by 4. That's the size of this flag that I have on the sleeve that everybody keeps asking about. So that's for that one. And Teflon pillows, get them on Amazon. All right, let's go to the next one here. Another one was about my the Flash Customs, which is this one here. This is the shirt that I pressed in the video. I have brutally beaten this shirt, dried this shirt, wore it to work, laid on it, did whatever possibly I could do in this shirt, and it's still holding up. Its color, it faded. I probably did about at least over 30 to 40 wash and dry tests. And it's not even wash and dry, I'm just using it as my everyday shirt. So I brutally, any shirts that I do with transfers or anything that I make in here for myself, I brutally beat the hell out of these things in the washer. I wash them, dry them to the max of what they can do. I don't hang them because I want to know the true. I'm like most guys, throw it in the washer, throw it in the dryer, and then throw it on. And this thing got its normal wear like any other shirt. And I mean, I've laid on this thing on concrete floors. It has your normal wear from me just using it. And like I said, this is over 30 washes and dries. This is me in dirt with it, doing yard work, doing whatever. And still, that's the back there. All right, let's go to the next one. Does it have a paper feel? So, no, like I said in the video, came out very smooth. It's not like a vinyl, and after you do your first couple washes and stuff on it, it just basically blends into the shirt. It's a lot smoother than vinyl is. You could definitely feel vinyl more than you can feel this on a shirt. It's not a paper feel. I literally can't even explain the feel, but it's right into the shirt at this point. So I think I could, and I wear a lot of vinyl shirts that I've made, and I definitely could feel vinyl more than I could feel this. All right, let's see here. Size of the flag, I already answered that. Explain the wholesale license process, requirements, maybe in a video, so I didn't see this one, I just saw this now. So I will actually get to that. I will make a video on that. I have a business partner. He basically does all the business end of everything like that. So I'll get in touch with him and get all my information right before I go and make a video on it. Okay, and once again, the size of the flag. And someone asked me, how are you doing on the sublimation printing? Like I said, I had things going on. I haven't really been doing anything right now besides what I have to. I had some personal things going on, so sublimation, I'm keeping that to the side. I still like to stick with the transfers, plastisol, vinyl, the direct-to-film. Like I said, the sublimation is basically for my own personal use. Like I did the license plate, things like that. You know, if me and my girl, if she wants to make some tumblers or anything like that, that's my own personal use right now. I'm having fun with that. I did the 50-50 one. That is still like, I'm still messing around with that, understanding how to do sublimation, because I'm not gonna go and make crazy amount of videos on it if I fully don't understand it. But I do like sublimation. I like the fact that it's right into the shirt, everything like that. So I will be coming out with a lot more videos. I just wanted to answer some of the top questions I saw. I can't go through all of them. I only have a couple minutes today to sit down and do this, but I just wanted to answer a few of the questions, and I'm going to be coming out with a lot more content, even besides the t-shirt stuff, but I'll put them in the playlist or series for everybody. But I appreciate everybody. I appreciate the comments, everything like that, and I'm just going to get back into videos every week. So keep a lookout, put your notifications on, everything like that. So I appreciate all the support from everybody, and I'm gonna keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content, plus some other content for you guys, for other different people that want to watch different type of things. I have my ruckus stuff, other things I'll probably do around the house. I'm gonna get into a whole bunch of things. So I appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate all the comments. So if you guys would like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna keep coming out with some more of this content for you guys. Peace.